Welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how to install level of interest for the NinjaTrader platform. First, log into the TradeNeon user backend using your web browser. Then scroll down a little until you see NinjaTrader and click this button to download the zip file. By default, the zip file should be located in your Downloads folder. Right-click the file and click Extract All to unzip it. In the folder, you will find a README file with the installation tutorial, the level of interest color palette, and another zip file for installing level of interest. Now start NinjaTrader and log in with your credentials. In the menu bar, click Tools, Import, and then NinjaScript add-on. Now in your Downloads folder, select the folder we just extracted, and inside it select the zip file. Level of interest will now be installed quickly and easily. Next, simply click on Indicators and search for TradeNeon level of interest. Select the indicator and click Add Here. Go back to the user backend in your browser, scroll up and click this button to copy your license key to the clipboard. Back in NinjaTrader, go to the level of interest indicator settings and paste the license key using CTRL+V. Then click OK or Apply. The LOI levels will now be displayed in your chart for the markets you have subscribed to. You can now adjust the settings and load historical data via the indicator settings. We wish you great success with the software and good trades at all times. Level of interest. See what matters.